Hi everybody, we're back working on this project. I've been working on it for a while and I'm getting really. So anyway, the customer, they don't like the ceiling type. It is kind of bad. You got these down lights. Doesn't give out a lot of good lighting and so I'm gonna go look at this guy in our ceiling plan here. So that's what we got now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change all this and I'm gonna show you a nice neat way to do this. So now I'm in my ceiling plan. I switched projects, so don't get fooled. So what happens here? We got these down lights that they don't want. So I'm gonna go. All we got to do here is I'm gonna go with a 2x2 grid. So I'll just select this generic ceiling, and I'm gonna go with the 2x2 AC system. That might work out better. In fact, I can grab all these. I think should be able to grab that one, and that one, that one, that one. So I get it, and I'm going to change those to 2x2. Okay, and now these lights are going to go away. Should have just right click, select all, or I can isolate them even. Isolate category. Oh, I hit category. I wanna grab these guys here. Oh boy. So I'm gonna just right click here. I wanna isolate the category. Man, why did I do that again? That would have been just easier just deleting them. So I'm gonna grab it, right click, isolate category. There we go. And these will go. I got something I want to do with that one there, and that'll go. So now I'm going to reset that back. Now I'm going to change this to a 2x2. I'm going to select it. You can load these in always through your. I'm going to show you right quick. You're going to insert, load found in the cloud. And these are all your light fixtures. They're your troffers and everything. But I got one loaded in, so I'm going to just take it. And I'm going to change the type to a 2x2 120. I'm sorry, 2x2 120. Well, I didn't have it loaded in. Okay, no problem. So I go to insert, go family, lighting. There it is. That one. Load. Okay, now I should be able to select this guy here, and it should be in there. Yep. And I want to just distinctly place these, so I'm going to move them up within the grid. So I'm going to just go here, see if I can just take this guy and move it. Because we want to see lighting and everything here. Okay, I'll just align that back to that. Align to there. Yep. And how are we going to do that? Maybe let's just grab one and copy it. Let's say from here. Let's go to there. Maybe 3 across there, like that. And then 2 in this office. Okay, align that there. So you get the idea. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to just do this front space here. It's not that big, so I might just need 2 here. I want to see how it lights up. Yeah, that's fine. And this office here, or we might even do something else in these offices. We might even go with incandescents. I don't know. Just delete that out for now. What's the height? Is that the problem here with that? Just tab it and select it. Yep, that's the right height. So I'm going to copy these two here. And just move them. Come on now. Let's copy these. Let's see to there and to there. That might work out for them. And maybe just two here. Let's copy these two here. If I can, I might have constraint on them. I'm going to remove constraint. And I'll probably drop these here. And now the focus here is we want to make sure we got some uniformity here, some consistency, just for aesthetics, because this is an office space and we kind of want to make it look good. I might even move this one over a bit here. It's going to be dependent on the electrician, how they want to wire this up, but they use these cylinders, it might work out pretty good for them. I'm going to grab this one here. Let's grab him and baby on there. We only probably need one in these offices, but they're quite small, really small offices here. Align that to that. Now, what I want to do is I want to go back into that 3D view and see what this looks like. So we were in this view here. That's looking a little bit better. So let's go back into the ceiling plan. Maybe we get more lighting in here. We got two spaces. I think that's fine. And then here, we'll copy this here to here. Shook. Undo that, whatever I did. Copy this. No, I'm just going to place it. System, light fixture. Yeah, this is easier. Heck, just put one there. Yeah, maybe there. Tell you what, let's do here and here. And we'll do two in here, like so. And like so. And then we need a couple in here in this office, then the bathroom. So that's how we will lay that out now. I'm going to go into that 3D view and see what we're looking like. I think that's much better. So now let's do a quick render and see what it looks like with the lighting and everything. So I'm going to go into my view tab. I'm going to go render here. And we'll do something so we can see it. I'm going to just see if I can. Now the siding, I'm going to do artificial lighting only, and I'm going to render. In a later video, I'll probably do a high quality render because the lighting here is the most important thing. So any day now, there's doing its thing. It'd be great if I can get this done in the next 30 seconds. Here it comes. I just want to make sure our lighting works and we could see things here. Oh boy. There we go. Okay, yep. So I think that's going to come out pretty good. And then in another render or another view, I'll show you a more high quality render because this is going to take a little bit of time. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video with this high quality render. I don't want to waste your time doing it. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, thanks again. And I think the customer might like this. It looks more office-like. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Be safe. Take care.